Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Windows installation have failed on Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 installation. So the first thing that you need to do is to hit next on the language settings and on the keyboard settings too. After you hit next, now from this option, the select setup option, you will have the option to click on previous version of setup as you see right here. So this will actually give you a better stable version of the Windows installation that won't actually give you any bugs or errors. So as you see from here, after you click on the previous version, you need to choose the options and languages and hit on next. And now you need to click on install now. After that, Windows will start installing. You need to choose the version of Windows that you want to install, and now you need to accept for the terms and hit on next. Now it will start installing. Hopefully this will actually fix your issue and you won't get the failed error. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.